In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone Airtable templates. If you want to skip the heavy lifting and start with a solid foundation, cloning a template is the fastest way to get up and running. First, sign into Airtable and make sure you're on the home screen where all your workspaces are visible. This is your starting hub, and it's where new bases will appear once you clone a template. From the home screen, click Templates. That opens the template gallery, which is packed with ready-made bases for different use cases. Think of a base as a flexible database that can store tasks, contacts, inventory, and more, all with multiple views. Browse by category or use the search bar to find what you need. You'll see popular options like project management, content calendars, CRM, personal productivity, and inventory tracking. When you spot something that fits your situation, click it to open more details. Take a moment to preview the template. Look through its tables and fields to understand how information is organized. Switch between views like Grid, Kanban, and Calendar to see how data can be visualized. Check the sample records and structure. This preview helps you confirm that the template aligns with your workflow before you commit to cloning it. By the way, I've placed a link to Airtable at the top of the description, so you can head straight to the website or open the app if you prefer. That way you can follow along as we go. When you're ready, click Use Template. Choose the workspace where you want the base saved. Airtable will instantly create a full copy in your account, and you'll see it appear on your home screen. If you collaborate with a team, pick the workspace where teammates have the right access. Open your new base and rename it to match your project, client, or workflow by clicking the name at the top. Clear naming makes it easier to organize multiple bases later. Now customize the template. Rename fields to match your terminology, add or remove columns to fit your process, and update drop-down options so they reflect your real choices. Delete the sample records, then start adding your own data. This is your fully editable version, and changes won't affect the original template. If someone shares a template link with you, open the link, click Copy Base, and select your workspace. It works the same as cloning from the gallery. You can also duplicate your own bases to reuse a setup. Open the base, click the drop-down next to the base name, choose Duplicate Base, and pick a destination workspace. This is perfect for repeating client work or recurring projects. That's how to clone Airtable templates and get started fast without building from scratch. Thanks for watching.